Hi, today I'm going to show you how to fix blur images in your WooCommerce catalog. Thumbnail is very blur like this, right? Okay, it's very easy. First, you need to go to your appearance, customize, go to WooCommerce, go to product images, thumbnail width. Okay, thumbnail width is actually 300, which is very low resolution like this, very blur. You need to increase it to say 800. Okay, and then we publish this, and then we refresh our front end view. There you go. Your thumbnail is better. Okay, better. So you want a higher resolution. Basically, you come here and edit the thumbnail width. This one is just saving crowd. I got some catching. You have to actually update, and then you go to your front end view and refresh. Then you will see the higher resolution is basically here. Thumbnail width, adjust it. Initially was 300, you increase it to 800, or you want to increase more, you just increase. Then you increase the resolution. That's it. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel to share with others as well. And by the way, my name is Janice. I'm from Janice Ong Training and Consulting. You can attend my online training courses if you are interested. With me, there's video recording, which you can purchase and watch online on all my training courses. Okay, or you can have a Zoom class with me. And I also do various services, training, consulting services, coaching, mentoring, and quite a lot of services. Okay, that's me. My name is Janice, your trainer today. Do click and like my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.